When it comes to fixing Nubian twist, we have a couple of different ways on which you can do it, but this is one of my top installation methods, and it's because it's very easy to fix. Even for beginners, you can never go wrong with this kind of installation method. And number two, it lasts longer, especially if you're doing very large ones like you see in the video. My client wanted to do them very sparse on the head, so yeah, this was the go-to way of fixing the Nubian twist. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to do exactly how to fix the Nubian twist. Let me quickly mention the other installation methods of Nubian twists. There are a couple of them. Number one, you can do micro Nubian twists, whereby you just start directly from the scalp doing very tiny ones. And number two, you can do braiding at the bottom, like if you want medium-sized ones, a small braiding at the bottom, and then now you go ahead and continue twisting. And the other one, you can twist it directly from the scalp, but this is actually not my very favorite because it's not going to last so long. And this is now the fourth one, the crochet method, which I am about to show you. So if this video is gonna be helpful to you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't leave without touching that subscribe button and turning on the post notifications bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. After you've done your tuck out, you're going to crochet the hair at the bottom, and then after you crochet it, we are going to secure it by rounding it at the bottom again, like 2 times before you start doing your twist. For some people, you can just crochet it and then braiding a little bit, and then now you go ahead and start twisting. But here you're just going to start twisting immediately from the bottom. Yes, as you can see in the video, make sure you are hiding the natural hair a little bit in the Nubian twist so that we avoid cases of natural hair popping out of the Nubian twist. We want the hair to at least give us some service. Okay, so you just keep twisting, and remember we have different brands of the Nubian twist. Some of them come out exactly like that if you twist it towards the right side, and some of them come out exactly like that if you twist it towards the left side. So do make sure you know the kind of Nubian twist we are dealing with. We have the imported ones, of which you have to twist towards the left side so that you get the curly patterns, but this one is the imported one, so we are twisting it towards the right or clockwise to get the curls. And that is it. And do not forget, after finishing at the end, you trim it. Okay, yes, here my client was done. These are 8 inches Nubian twists. Okay, we have different inches anyway. We have up to even 22 inches depending on the length your client wants. And don't always forget to moisturize your client's scalp, and we are done. And yes, also don't forget to lay their edges. And yes, if you have any questions, just ask it in the comment section where you've not understood, and I have more video of the Nubian twist tutorial of the other methods, so do make sure to watch them out. And up to there, I am done. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.